For a minute, I want to record his facial expressions.
He's not even gonna know. He's preoccupied.
Oh no, he wants them.
Yeah. No, I don't.
What? Got Grandma's money?
When you're done, Mom, you gotta move your phone.
Okay, I hit record.
I am at record.
Okay, good.
I got there before I had
What's
to
he
do
doing?
it.
Oh, just
He's dreaming and
Just dreaming, and his facial reactions are super cute. He's all smiling and
Flicking his tongue out and quivering his chin and opening his eyebrows. So big.
I don't know what he's dreaming about. Dreaming about the birth canal.
yeah, he's dreaming about home.
See, he's
Dreaming
probably
about
crying.
food.
He'd be crying.
I think he's dreaming food.
Could be.
Unless I cough, it hurts to cough.
Yeah.
I really
Yeah, 'cause your
congested, so
muscles.
it hurts to cough.
That'll get better. Like after the third day, it'll start getting better.
If I didn't have a cold, it would be.
Alright, well, you
bad.
can stop recording if you want to.
But honestly, the C-section's not going to be that bad.
Those eyebrows.
Uh-huh.
You know, truthfully,
Thank God.
my